In this video, you would see the best places at Nusa Lembongan Island, located outside of Bali.
It's time for 1 month in Bali.
We have been in Fiji for a few weeks, but we're now on a flight from Sydney heading to Bali. We flew across Australia. The flight from Sydney to Bali took 7 hours.
We are here in Bali and we paid 400,000 rupiah for this hotel room, which is pretty cheap, about 40 Australian dollars.
We went out to explore the area, but came back to go to bed. The next morning, we got some money, explored one beach and got into a taxi. The money is the Indonesian rupiah and the bills range from 1,000 to 100,000 rupiah. The ferry terminal Sanur is located a 20-minute drive from the airport in Denpasar. We paid 200,000 rupiah each for the boat ticket, which is about 12 euros or 14 US dollars.
I am here in Sanur and it takes about 20 minutes to get here from the airport. As you can see, there are hundreds of backpackers trying to get on the boats to go out to the famous islands, Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Penida.
We got onto the boat and started going down south to an island called Nusa Lembongan.
We have been on the boat for about 20 minutes and I'm starting to see Nusa Lembongan. We just made it here to Nusa Lembongan. There's a lot of people here and we met a friend from Germany.
We started walking and eventually got to a guest house where we met 2 other friends from Germany.
We got some scooters, about to head down to the beach. It's time to race.
We started driving the scooters across the bridge to another island called Nusa Lembongan, where there's a place called the Blue Lagoon. The name Blue Lagoon, of course, comes from the blue color of the water. The closer the water gets to the rocks, the more blue the color is. This is because of some minerals in the rocks.
We are here at the Blue Lagoon. What an amazing place, right?
The day was coming to an end, but first we were having the most famous dish called nasi goreng.
What an amazing day it's been. We are here having dinner with our 3 friends that we met from Germany.
The sun was going down, but the next day we came back to the Blue Lagoon on the way to another place.
Just came back from the Blue Lagoon and now we're heading to, where are we going? Mangrove Forest. Mangrove Forest.
Now we started our drive over to the mangrove forest on our scooters that we rented for 70,000 rupiah, which is about 5 US dollars.
Are you ready? Of course I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Let's go. We made it.
The roads leading up to the mangrove forest are narrow. When you get there, there will be many people trying to sell you a boat tour.
Are you guys excited?
I'm so excited.
For the bamboo boat?
Yes.
We paid 300,000 rupiah altogether for a 30-minute boat tour around the mangrove forest. The mangrove forest is characterized by the extensive roots sticking out from every direction. I got the chance to maneuver the bamboo boat, but it was really hard to steer.
Did you guys like the boat tour?
Now we were heading to a beach called Pantai, where there's a really nice resort where you can eat a lot of good food.
Okay, we're sitting here, we just had lunch and they are speaking German. I can't understand anything. Been sitting for about 5 minutes trying to figure out how we're gonna pay the bill because we're missing 30,000 and then we're missing 20,000 and then we're missing 10,000 and now it should be 490,000. What an amazing day it is and what a beautiful beach. Can you believe it?
We spent the day swimming around in all the pools, and you can also see the volcano on the island of Bali from Nusa Lembongan.
Life is pretty hard right now, right?
We had a great time at the resort, but we're now heading to a place called Devil's Tear, where you can see incredible cliff formations and waves crashing into the rocks. The island of Nusa Lembongan is only about 8 kilometers long. When the sun is about to set, there will be hundreds of tourists sitting there watching the waves crashing into the rocks. There are many restaurants along the edge of the island. Now we were about to have a hamburger. You would pay about 50 to 80,000 rupiah for a meal.
Let's find the screaming people.
In the evening, you will hear local people screaming while they are praying. The main religion in Indonesia is Islam. The next day, we woke up early and went to the famous swings that you can see all along the coast of Nusa Lembongan.
I think that's my sock.
I'm really bad at yoga, but I got some instructions. I was supposed to meet my friend Dennis at 10 a.m. so we could go to a different island, but I totally forgot about the time.
How do you like the swing?
Perfect.
Please leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this episode. Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.